In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable desktop notifications in Slack so you never miss an important message. If you use Slack for work, school, or team communication, turning on desktop notifications can make a big difference. It helps you stay aware of important updates even when the app is running in the background. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly where to find the right settings and what each option means, so you can choose the notification style that works best for you. First, open the Slack app on your desktop computer and make sure you're already signed in to your workspace. This is important because notification settings are managed from inside the desktop app itself. Once Slack is open and fully loaded, you're ready to move on. Next, click on your profile picture. Depending on your version of Slack and your screen layout, this is usually located either in the bottom left corner or the top right corner of the window. When you click it, a menu will appear with several account and app options. From that menu, select Preferences. This will open the main settings area for your Slack app, where you can control things like notifications, appearance, and other personal settings. Once the Preferences window opens, look at the menu on the left side and click Notifications. This section contains all of the settings related to alerts and how Slack gets your attention while you're working on your computer. Now find the section labeled Notify Me About. Here you can decide what kind of messages should trigger an alert. You can choose to receive notifications for all new messages if you want to stay on top of everything, or you can keep it more focused by selecting direct messages, mentions, and keywords only. If you prefer fewer interruptions, that second option is usually the better choice. And after that, scroll down to the sound and appearance section. In this area, make sure the box next to Enable Desktop Notifications is checked. This is the setting that allows Slack to send pop-up alerts to your desktop, so it's the key step in the process. If your computer's operating system asks for permission to allow notifications, click Allow. Without this approval, Slack may have the setting turned on inside the app, but notifications still won't appear on your screen. And that's it. Once these settings are enabled, Slack will be able to notify you on your desktop based on the preferences you selected. If you found this guide helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more simple tutorials.